I got another package, and inside the package came this. So let's go over it, okay? Hi everyone. So I bought these two sets of figures for drawing, and basically I opened them already because they came all squished. So I was afraid that they would be broken inside, but they were not. And I already opened the male one, so I want to do like the packaging of the female one. Came with this card. Because you know, what other pose would you post this in than this pose? You know, what other kind of art would you do than this? But either way, it's a good figure. So this is the little booklet that it came with, and this is from Figure Arts, and I think it's from the Body Kuns series. I think I don't read this, but I cannot read this Chinese or Japanese, but I think it's Body Kuns, and then I got them in gray. So it came with the instructions and with like all the stuff that you can do with it. It has different sets of arms, like different sets of legs. So if you want to have them sitting down with the legs behind, and it came with all sorts of accessories, which are really fun to get out. It also comes with this little booklet, more or less explaining like, you know, to use layers, again, that pose, because you know what else. So let's go to the actual set and go over the stuff that it comes with. And I'm gonna use this is not an X-Acto knife, which is what I probably should be using for this, but this is what I found. I couldn't find my X-Acto knife because I haven't used it in a while. This is actually a tool that is breaking on me already. It's a tool for sculpting clay. This is the little mesh with some accessories. Some of those are prongs for a table, and then an ice cream, some cups, a shield, and a sword. So I put this over here. It comes with the little base to hold them up. It came with this little holder, so you can put the accessories that it came with it. I'm gonna put that over there. But I tried to fit them all already with once, and they didn't all fit, so I don't know. This little thing, just put that over here, where hopefully it stays. This is very. And then what we have left is the figure itself and the hands and the arms. So I'm gonna start using this right away because there's a lot of small pieces. So these hands are they're like hands when you're holding hands, or when you're holding your hands together. It comes with that already. Like, see, you can. I don't know, it's too small. But either way, these are like hands with that fingers interlocked. So if you want to draw that, it already has them. So let me put this over here. It comes with a set of legs, so that when you want to sit them down, I guess you replace the knees and you insert these prongs inside the legs, so you have the sitting down pose, and then the knees will be there, so you don't break the other knees. I guess they don't bend that far back. I'm gonna put that over here, and also interlock arms, so you'll be able to change the arms. So you have to take it out of here, the elbow, and put these arms, so then she'll be like interlocked. Put this back there, and then it also comes with like all sorts of different types poses for the hands. So if you need to hold something or anything like that, you can do so. And I'm gonna put them over here where they're supposed to. and this is like super neat and organized. So let's just go here as he proceeds to fail on organizing things. Okay, that's an extra one. Let's see. This is supposed to go in there, and this one is supposed to go in here. Let's see. So it's all neat and organized in there, but I have an extra one and I don't know where to put it, so I just want to go there. And all that is in the little case. Bring the case back. Let me. What next? I guess let's put together the arm. This is the what will hold them together while you draw, or if you just have them for display, which I don't know why you will have them just for display, but while you're not using them, I guess they'll be on display. Yeah, don't fall. Let's use that tape. Don't fall over. There. And let's see. This one goes here. This is where you seat them and hold them. Little seat, and then this goes here. So then we put them on the base, they will be being held up by this basically. And then finally this is the base here. And then that connects to this. This, there, no, here, oh, here. And then you can use where you store the rest of the items. You can use it as you use it as the base for the figure as well. But as you just saw, the base doesn't really click, doesn't really clasp with the items on the bottom. So I don't know why that is, but it doesn't. Okay. So I really like this figure. It has lots of articulation. Like if you can see on the elbows, how much articulation there is there. And yeah, for drawing this will do. I like it a little better than the other ones that I did, than the other two smaller ones that I bought. So I'm happy with this ones. And I got them on it was like $30 on Amazon. So yeah, I like this one's a lot better. And let me show you the other one that I also bought that came with it. Let me move this around so it doesn't fall. So I got the male on the female, I guess. Well, I guess now it is. Got them both. They do feel a lot more premium than the other ones that I bought, than the tiny figma ones. But so when you're just seeing, like, I guess groups, you know that I'll be using this to draw. And that's it. I don't have a lot more to say with this one, other than they do feel a lot better than the other ones that I bought. And oh yeah, that's right. Let's go over the items. This came with a lot of little items. I almost forgot. But the items won't be able to. I'll be able to fit them all when I'm done in the little case. Like the sword, for example, does not fit at all. And I need to. If I had a set, I could do this a lot better. But for now, these little prongs are legs. For the little base, it doubles as like a table. So if you want to draw them on a table, you can do so. And that is shown here somewhere. Where is that at? See? Like so. So let me first. This one's come off really easy. The little prongs. I'm like shaking over here because this is not like a proper table, so I'm afraid of knocking everything. damage. There's very small parts. I may continue to break this. These things they just come off so easily. So even if you don't have an X-Acto knife like I do, well, like I don't, because I couldn't find it, you'll be able to take them off really easy. The only ones that I worry about are like these teacups, but I'm gonna use this for that so I don't break them. So yeah, it was like all of a sudden I'm like, oh well, looks like I won't be able to use it for that. Well, how did I do it yesterday? There we go. I just forcibly pull the teacup out just by wiggling. It doesn't take a lot, but you have to do some little bit of effort. And then it does have these little extra details that you don't need, like the piece of plastic hanging on it, which I think I can come off with this. Yeah. I'm just gonna take it off with this. Well, that's not coming off. Either way, I'll take it out later. Probably with my teeth. But I'm not gonna put that on video. Let me see. The little prongs. This is the other little legs for the table. Come off. Those are the easiest that come out of this thing. They look like garbage. I thought it was garbage at first, and then I realized that it was for the table. Otherwise, I would have dumped the whole thing with them left in it. So yeah, it's not garbage. Don't throw them away. Here we go. This little cup just came right off. Alright, the one came off pretty clean. Let's see if I can clean this off. Yep. Came right off. Want some coffee? So yeah, it even has like this, I guess, traditional teacup for Japan. I'm not sure. It has no handles. So let me see if I can get the shield. The shield came right off. It has those little things left in it. I'm gonna take them off with this. Okay, that one was resisting. Well, it came right off. The shield has these holes in the back, and the handles are on the thing still. So I'm gonna put this one here, leave it out. And let's continue this. I guess let's do the sword. The sword just comes right off if you push, and just be careful on where to push. Don't be that you put pressure on the wrong area and you break it. So they both came with like a sword and a shield. So if you want to draw that, you have the reference. Oh, look at that! The ice cream came already. It was already off. But the ice cream, it always has this little edge on the bottom there. It doesn't belong. So I wanted to cut that off. There you go. It came right off. So there you go. That's the little ice cream. So expect, I guess, Kingdom Hearts stuff with the sequel ice cream drawings. This is a little plate. They came right off. We know almost no residue. I don't think it really doesn't matter. So tiny little plate. And these are the handles for the shield. They also just came clean right off. Or it's just a set of handles. I think you can do different styles of handles for the shield. You either stick it to the arm with these ones, or you use the one handle. This I'm gonna toss because there's nothing there. I'm gonna put this on the shield. See, I love how tiny everything is, but even though they're tiny, they feel really good. So now you have the shield, and this is her shield, so I guess you can put it on like that. And that's it. I really like this. I really like this figures. They're a little flimsy, like you see that the arm is not holding on her. I don't know why that is. That shouldn't be, but I'm sure I can position the arm in any way I want and be able to hold it in that position. But things are falling off. Not good. Not good. Not good. So now none of that fits in there because it's too much. So I do like that it came with all the accessories. So if you want to draw some of this stuff, you have an easy model. Again, these figures don't. It's not the same as drawing from life. You learn more when you draw from life because it takes away. This is kind of an abstraction of the real figure. But you know, when you're on a rush and you're drawing and you always want to have something, it helps. It helps a lot with proportions and such. And if you draw anime, like these are the proportions that mostly people use, depending on your art style. So yeah, these are the figures. I don't fall. So the figures that I bought. I really like this, and you wanna see me use them when I draw. If I keep when I start. As I post more art content, which I want to do more like live drawing and painting. I also ordered some watercolors, so I'm gonna be doing watercoloring soon, probably live. Just my little manga shelf, and show you where the statues are sitting at now. This is almost to the ceiling, and this is where my figures are sitting down. Well, I'm not using them. They're on this shelf just for them, the blank figures. And then some Kingdom Hearts stuff. Chun-Li, Senseiya, Cosmos, and Sailor Moon. Some amiibos, some of the Disney Infinity figures, and more random stuff. So thank you for watching that. I'm going to be using these figures on my drawings. I know you're able to see my work posted here in my YouTube channel. And yeah, that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. If you want to see my art, check out some other videos. That's it. Bye.